creamy mushroom sauce. It takes about 8 minutes to make. It's so rich and flavorful. Goes really well with roast beef, smash burgers, roast chicken, caulimash. This is a standard go-to sauce for, I'm doing ribeyes today, and grilled burgers or smash burgers or roast chicken. Absolutely perfect. And it's very easy to make. It's going to take about 10 minutes to make. The recipe for this is below in the comments. I start out with 3 tablespoons of butter. I've got my induction burner on a medium heat for sauteing. I've got 1 shallot. It's diced. I'll put my shallots in. 1 cup of mushrooms, sliced mushrooms. We're just going to saute this up. There you go, that's nicely sauteed. You can use any mushroom you like. Got a little bit of color in there. It's looking really good. Next step is we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of dry white wine. I've got a oaked Chardonnay here. So I'm going to put that in. You could go with a beef stock or a chicken stock if you didn't want to use wine. This just smells fantastic. And I'm going to take my heat up a little bit. We want to reduce this by half. There you go. That's about 6 minutes in total. I've reduced my wine by half, which is really good. And now I've got some heavy whipping cream, the real stuff. We're just going to stir this around until we get to the consistency that we like. So this will evaporate and thicken. Real whipping cream or heavy cream thickens nicely. Everything's cooked. All we want to do is just make a nice thick, rich looking, creamy sauce now. That'll just take about 2 minutes. I'm going to add in just a pinch of pepper to taste, fresh cracked pepper. That's looking really good. So this took probably about, I'm going to say 7-8 minutes in total to make this sauce. And it's company worthy, extremely good on caulimash, and definitely on my ribeye. And so how I'm going to serve this is, I'm going to put it in a gravy boat right now, but I will make sure that it's warm when the steak's finished in a couple of minutes. And I will put a little pool of this creamy mushroom sauce on a plate and put some caulimash beside it, and then I'll lay my steak right on top of this sauce. That's perfect right there. Hot, bubbly, creamy. That is my go-to creamy mushroom sauce for a meatloaf, like a bacon wrapped meatloaf or roast chicken, whatever you have. There you go. That looks really good. It smells fantastic, and I know that I have the right amount of pepper, and I've been working on this recipe for quite some time, but I just wanted to share it with you. That's my creamy mushroom sauce. Thanks for watching.